Dealerships currently face challenges with unsold Jeep inventory, prompting them to implement significant price cuts and attractive financing offers to lure in potential buyers. This situation highlights a broader issue within the automotive market. The Wrangler 4xe grapples with reliability issues and mixed perceptions of hybrid technology among consumers. These factors create hesitation among buyers who seek off-road capabilities and dependability in their vehicles. The Wrangler 4xe's premium pricing positions it alongside luxury SUVs, which raises questions about its overall value. Many consumers now gravitate towards more refined and efficient alternatives that better justify their investment. Moreover, the complexity of hybrid systems can lead to increased maintenance costs over time, diminishing their appeal for some buyers. Concerns regarding reliability may also significantly impact resale values. In the luxury market, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer encounters challenges as it competes with well-established brands. Despite its premium features, it often lacks the refinement that discerning luxury buyers expect. Additionally, depreciation poses a significant concern for the Grand Wagoneer, which tends to lose value rapidly compared to its competitors. Dealerships are responding by offering considerable discounts to move their unsold inventory. The Jeep Gladiator also struggles in attracting buyers, primarily due to its high price point and limited practicality compared to established competitors. This situation leaves many potential customers leaning towards more affordable options. While it boasts off-road capabilities, issues related to comfort and refinement detract from the Gladiator's appeal. In the mid-size truck segment, buyers often prioritize daily usability over rugged features. Moreover, reliability and durability concerns further dampen interest in the Jeep Gladiator. Buyers expect longevity, especially from vehicles designed for rugged off-road adventures. Yet, current market conditions provide a unique opportunity for buyers interested in an off-road truck like the Gladiator, as dealers are eager to clear their inventories. This scenario gives buyers substantial bargaining power. The discontinuation of the Jeep Cherokee underscores the brand's struggle to adapt to modern consumer demands, particularly the emphasis on technology and fuel efficiency in today's automotive landscape. Reliability issues played a significant role in the Cherokee's decline, as consumers are increasingly favoring brands known for proven quality, ultimately affecting Jeep's overall sales performance. The Jeep Renegade's underwhelming performance becomes a notable drawback, characterized by a small engine that struggles to deliver sufficient power and fuel efficiency. This hampers its desirability among potential buyers. Furthermore, design choices for the Renegade have not resonated well with mainstream consumers, resulting in polarized opinions about its boxy shape and styling. Competitors present more modern and appealing options that capture consumer interest. Pricing for the Renegade can escalate rapidly with the addition of features, placing it in direct competition with larger, more practical vehicles. This price point deters buyers seeking value for their investment. The Compass faces formidable competition from rivals such as the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, both of which excel in reliability and technological offerings. These competitors dominate the compact SUV market. In response, dealerships are providing incentives like 0% financing and substantial rebates to move unsold inventory, creating favorable opportunities for buyers in search of affordable vehicles with solid features. However, concerns regarding the Compass's long-term value arise, as heavy discounts might indicate poor resale potential. Buyers need to carefully consider short-term savings against future depreciation risks.